Zacks Advisor Tools was built for the advisor who uses their own investment skills to select individual stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs for their client accounts. If you are one of these advisors, you know that managing hundreds of client accounts, each with its own portfolio, can occupy more than 40 hours per week of your time. Advisor Tools can dramatically reduce the time you're devoting to managing your client portfolios and also increase the chances that your client portfolio's performance will exceed your client's expectations by leveraging the power of Zacks' award-winning equity, mutual fund, and ETF research. To remind you, for stocks, Zacks research consists of the Zacks rank, which is a short-term indicator of future performance, the Zacks recommendation, which is a long-term indicator of future performance, analyst-written research for 1,100 larger companies, analyst-written research for 50 industries, stock tear sheets for 3,500 additional companies, and model portfolios. For mutual funds, Zacks research consists of the Zacks mutual fund rank and mutual fund tear sheets for 6,000 mutual funds, while for ETFs, Zacks research consists of the Zacks ETF rank and ETF tear sheets for 2,000 ETFs and model portfolios. Zacks Advisor Tools helps you use Zacks research to improve client holdings by alerting you to the weakest holdings and possible landmines in hundreds of your client portfolios. We provide you with a number of ways to find replacements for weak holdings while automating the mechanics as much as possible, leaving you time to better service your clients and to look for new accounts. Let me show you how easy it can be to improve the holdings in hundreds of client accounts. We first use our Buy All Accounts link to add all of your client accounts directly into Advisor Tools from your custodian automatically overnight. We then create an overall book of business portfolio, which is comprised of all of your client accounts, giving you a list of all your positions across all of your accounts. Once you have your book of business portfolio, you can identify weak stocks, weak funds, and even weak ETFs. In this case, we'll focus on stocks. The easiest way to identify weak stocks on an ongoing basis is to set alerts that will send you an email when a stock of any of your portfolios satisfies the criteria that you set. You can create a wide range of alerts based on over 500 data items, including price changes, EPS surprise, dividend cuts, brokerage analyst downgrades, and changes in Zacks rank that will alert you to the holdings that need your attention. In this example, we assume we received an alert that the Zacks rank just dropped to 5 for some stocks in our holdings. As you likely know, the Zacks rank of 1 has worked very well over the past 30 years, selecting stocks with an average return of nearly 25% per year. But you may not have focused on the Zacks rank 5, whose portfolio dramatically underperformed the S&P 500 over the last 30 years. We're concerned that those stocks whose Zacks rank just dropped to 5 will have weak performance over the next few months, so it's a good time to replace them with stocks with better long-term outlooks. In this case, we want to replace Pacific Gas and Electric in all of our client accounts because it has a Zacks rank of 5. You can find better holdings by creating a screen that mirrors your investment process using over 500 data items for each company, or by using one of the 50 screens we found worked very well in backtests for advisors who select stocks using investment styles for core, growth in income, momentum, or value. In this case, we'll use the screener to pick a stock in the same industry as Pacific Gas and Electric that has a Zacks long-term recommendation of outperform. In contrast to the Zacks rank, which predicts returns over the next 3 months, the Zacks long-term recommendation predicts returns over a 12-month horizon. The stock that we see is Vistra Corp with the Zacks long-term recommendation of 1. Before deciding to buy Vistra to replace Pacific Gas and Electric, you will likely want to do some due diligence. Advisor Tools provides 16 displays of price-driving investment information for Vistra and 6,000 other companies. For a complete understanding of how these due diligence displays can help make your final decision whether to buy a stock, please take a look at the Doing Your Due Diligence video under Support at the top right of the Advisor Tools main menu. Once you've decided to replace Pacific Gas and Electric with Vistra, you can easily find all of your portfolios that hold PG&E. And I see that there are 4 accounts that hold it. Now all that's left is for you to execute the trade of Vistra for PG&E in these 4 accounts, and tomorrow when you come in, that trade will automatically be reflected in these client accounts since we update them every night from your custodian. To recap, Zacks Advisor Tools helps you improve client portfolio holdings by alerting you to the weakest holdings in hundreds of your clients' existing portfolios and providing you with a number of ways to use Zacks' award-winning research and your own stock selection process to find replacements for weak holdings, which we all hope will help you exceed your clients' performance expectations. Thank you so much. Please let us know if you have any questions or if you would like any further information.